just want to introduce you first to a couple of ingredients that I'm going to use. These are vegetable scallops. They taste good. You can eat them right out the can, but they're made of vegetable protein and they try to make it to simulate like a seafood. So I'm going to use this instead of seafood, and I'm going to use these vegetable sausages. These are a section of the grocery store. These are sausages. I like using Morningstar. So I get the Morningstar breakfast links. We'll start off with garlic clove and mash it. One garlic clove, and then I think I'll use a small knife. Just kind of mince it. I'm gonna do. Just want to mince that garlic up. Just gonna slice these. All you do is warm it up. Warm it up in the oven. You can warm it up in the microwave. Doesn't take long at all. And I'm just gonna slice them. Now, the scallops are already diced up. But again, when you get them out the can, you may get a large piece like that, kind of rubbery. And all you do is just cut it up into smaller chunks. Because I don't want big chunks like that in my Creole grits. Then I took 3 Roma tomatoes and I cut those up. I took the minced garlic and I sauteed it and I put it back in the pan. And I'm going to add some ingredients to this. So I have minced garlic in here. Took 2 teaspoons of this McKay chicken seasoning. Added 2 teaspoons to 2 cups of water. Put it in the pot. Also, I added 2 cups of non-dairy milk. 2 cups of non-dairy milk, and I used almond milk. 1 cup of grits. To those grits, I added a lot of seasoning. Emerald essence, this is this Louisiana flavor. The original essence, Emerald, Chef Emerald. You use it all the time. And the thing about Creole cooking, when you do anything Creole, makes me think of Louisiana. Now, I've only been to New Orleans. I was there some time ago, and I went to the restaurant where they filmed the sitcom Frank's Place. It was only, I think Tim Reed was the lead star. He was one of the lead stars in it, and I used to watch it. But anyway, and it was either a custard or some, maybe a rice pudding. It was rich. And I also added a little bit of Obey seasoning, about a teaspoon or so of Obey seasoning. A little bit of paprika. A couple of teaspoons of paprika. I'm going to add, it's like a Worcestershire sauce, but it doesn't have anchovies in it. It's this liquid aminos. It's like a soy sauce. I'm going to add a good teaspoon, pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of cumin. We're going to stir that all up, and you have to keep stirring because you don't want it to clump or scorch. And I'll keep cooking that, you know. I will start sauteing simultaneously while I'm cooking up my grits. I'll start sauteing those vegetable scallops and those sausage links. And I'm going to add tomatoes to that as well. And that's gonna be good. I used to have grits almost every morning. My brother and I, we would go over to our babysitter's home, and she would have grits for us. And I may have shared this story before, but anyway, she would make the grits real runny, and they had lumps in them. So I thought that's how you were supposed to make them, and I liked her grits, and she would put some butter on them. And so when my mom made grits the opposite, so I didn't like the way my mom made them. My mom would make the grits real thick. And now I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of margarine sauce. So while that's melting, I have this non-dairy cheddar cheese, and I'm going to put about a cup of it and blend it in with my grits. Along with that minced garlic. And I do that toward the end. You just whisk that well so it'll melt in those hot grits. And what I like about grits, they won't fail you. They won't fail you. I'm just going to plate it up, and I've got a nice bowl here, and I'm going to just spoon those grits in my bowl. All of those different seasonings. That's on the. Then you have a seafood mixture, and I just top it above those rich, creamy grits. Man. You gotta come dine with me. Add some more tomatoes for the color. So there you have the tomatoes. You have those scallops, that seafood, vegetarian seafood, and you have the sausage links. I've got that garlic sauce. And I'm gonna pour that garlic sauce